Alright, in this video I'm just going to show you a simple trick on how to build topical authority faster than your competitors. So you don't need to do anything. You use a simple tool called ChatGPT. So what you're going to do is, so let's just say you are writing about AI SEO writing tool. So let's just say I'm writing tools about AI SEO writing tool. I just simply give topical authority map for AI SEO writing tool, and it does everything. But you know what interests me? So I'll give a simple prompt, which is make this topical map list to internal link with each other and guide me. That's it. So this way you will get a proper internal linking structure and proper titles, how to do every single thing you need to do. That's all. This is how you build a topical authority faster than your competitors.